Okay, hello everyone. We're going to do a quick review of the Skim-A-Round All-in-One Skimmer. There's been a lot of reviews on YouTube, so appreciate all of you out there. I kind of learned some do's and don'ts before I started this. But this is the unit. This is the instructions, obviously, that came with it. So look at those carefully. This is the actual system with a smaller, I'm going to call this an O-ring, but there's 3 different sizes. Ours needed the smaller one to fit all the way down in the unit. There's a medium, and then of course a larger one depending on the opening. I noticed some of the reviews on YouTube, they had little notches in their skimmer down below, so this would not fit flush to create a suction. So you're wanting to create a suction here, and so we just got these in, bought them offline, got them in the mail, so it's fairly easy to put together. This unit pops up underneath here. So if you'll look down here, you can see the velocity does seem to have gone up some in the skimmer. So we're just learning how to do this. We have here in northern Alabama, we have a lot of flowering plants, blooming cherries and stuff. So their blooms tend to want to float on top of the pool, so it's hard to skim down into this, but we do see that happening. We did finally get some suction here. I had to play around with it a little bit, turn the system off, turned it back on. We may have actually too much water in the pool. You might want to skim over there and let them see the top of the water. It's just not quite, we probably need it a little bit lower than that, maybe an inch lower to let the water flow more freely into the skimmer. Anyway, there's your quick review of the Skim-A-Round All-in-One. I think it's going to do a decent job. Just got to play around with it a little bit and learn how it works. So anyway, thanks for watching. Good luck with your pool.